Welcome to Shenyang Libida Steel Group. We are located in north of China, the city of industry, Shenyang City. Our plant is covered 20,000 square meters. Let me show around our factory.
The flame cutting machine is a traditional tool used for cutting metal plates in the straight lines. This machine can cut 10 steel strips at once.
CNC cutting machine precisely executes the CAD design, cutting hole with the guaranteed accuracy.
This machine is used for the assembly of each shaped steel, ensure the verticality of web and flange plate, and spot welding each steel.
Gun structure drives the welding gun to move along the length direction of each steel to achieve automatic full welding.
Straightening machine used to correct the shape of each steel, ensuring the steel meets the design requirements for the flatness and accuracy.
After straighten at this station, work will finish welding the smaller pieces.
Steel parts are automatically conveyed through the short blasting machine, with rough surfaces smoothed during the process.
In the final stamp, the steel columns are spray painted with a protective coating in this area.
Making our client's jobs easier is our number one priority. We put both steel stamps and labels on each steel. Then our customer will super easy to get right one based on the construction drawings on the job site.
We will take good care of shipment properly. Depending on the customer site condition, we will recommend both the pallet and the lifting loading. Either way, it will be secure and sent safely to its destination.
Thank you for your time. If you want the factory price, you need to find a source factory Libida like us. Our steel structure have certificate and the test report can be provided as well. Price depending on the size you need. It's affordable and fast. Please call us. Get a free quote now.